Hi, my name is ULE Schneider from DSP Group, and today I'll be showing you our smart home system based on DSP Group's ULE technology. ULE operates in the free license 1.9 GHz radio band, so it can communicate over distances of up to 1,000 feet or 300 meters, with native two-way voice support and guaranteed quality of service. This presentation will briefly show some of ULE's key attributes. The setup consists of the following ULE-enabled devices: a door window sensor, a smart AC plug that controls the music system, for example, a smart bulb, a phone to imitate an external call, and a battery-operated mini smart speaker. This device integrates only our smart voice SoC, ULE chipset, a microphone, and a speaker. Let's get started. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 10:42 a.m.
Here we can see a ULE battery-powered device with a speaker and microphone. This acts as a smart speaker. It is always listening for the wake word, which in this case is Alexa. And when that wake word is uttered, it immediately connects to Alexa queries. This is all based on DSP Group's voice and ULE chipset, and not on Wi-Fi, so it can operate on small batteries for longer periods without recharging. And of course, we can control our home with it. Alexa, ask DSPG.
Welcome to DSPG. What do you want to do?
Turn on the light.
Okay.
Change light to red.
Okay.
Dim light to 100%.
Okay.
Turn on music.
Okay.
Turn off the light.
Okay.
Turn off music.
Okay.
Stop.
Goodbye.
We also have a door sensor, which is a simple data or sensing non-voice use case of a device open-close rule. When the front door is open, the light turns on. Here, notice the smooth operation and fast response. Now we will show you how ULE natively supports two-way voice, both for intercom and external calls. Alexa, call Sarah.
Did you mean Sarah?
Yes.
Calling Sarah's mobile.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
Oh, it's fine. Just checking my new home system.
It sounds great. Enjoy.
Thanks, Yael. See you soon.
Bye. Alexa, hang up. Having both data and two-way voice capability enabled by a single technology is a clear advantage for providers of smart home and security systems, as it reduces complexity, lowers cost, simplifies installation, and accelerates time to market. Together with full home coverage, interference-free spectrum, long battery life, high quality of service, and ultra-reliable two-way voice links. The superiority of ULE technology over other wireless standards is clear. We hope you enjoyed our presentation for DSP Group's ULE technology for smart home. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at info@dspg.com.